Man called Rambo.
Oh,
Why them call you Rambo?
call me the hills man.
How many years?
Lots of years man, over 20 odd years.
So you're a farm, you're the real. How you keep up the pace, man?
Eh?
How you? It's a humbling thing.
It's a live thing.
You have more time than money now, right now.
Mm.
You say you go find how many years now?
First time.
Yeah.
First time go to work, man.
How long you spent?
8 months.
What was that like?
Good. Yeah, man.
You
Hard
want,
work, but it's good.
you want to go back? Is it for the opportunity or?
Opportunity. Oh man, it's about making money.
Mm.
Yeah. So it's good to make the money. Because at the end of the day, you're working there. Every week you get paid. Every week you had your check to collect, so you know you had money. So all you need to do the people then work.
Sometimes out here, based on the weather, you don't get paid.
Out here?
Yeah.
No, you're mostly self-employed out here. So self-employed don't get paid until your crop come in. But when you're working for other people, like weekly work or every 2 weeks, you get paid.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But good man, good to work.
So you save up.
Yeah.
Are you going back?
Yeah.
Them like your work?
Yeah, man. I never tell them that I can't manage no work.
Yeah.
No. If they even have work until left over for tomorrow, I say, no, man, we're going to do this work tonight.
What do you think the government should do to give more farmers opportunity? Do a lot of the farmers around here get opportunity
So,
to go out?
well, I don't know, you know. I never go on, I don't go on farm work, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I go on hotel program.
Okay.
So I go and work in the hotel industry.
And they contacted you or you had to do your own searching?
Yeah, you do your own searching.
You went to the US?
Yeah.
How did you deal with the cold?
Man, I was in short pants like you right through the time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You deal with it?
Yeah. Thanksgiving Day I was in my short pants. I said, wow.
Well,
I live here 20 years.
and the name Rambo, who gave it to you?
People just like see how me move and they say, man, this man moving like only Rambo move like this kind of, the way this man move, so the Rambo move that way.
And how many acres of yam or farm you've ever planted in your life?
Well, probably 2 acres.
And you plant how much?
But sometimes you don't have the amount of land in 2 acres like in one patch. You have it here, have piece here, another piece here, just like how Baba them have some there, some up there. That's how we work.
So sometimes it's 2 miles to go to your bush.
No, you know, really 2 miles. Like a 15-minute walk.
Okay.
Where me coming from now is my 10-minute walk to the street.
So you come from America, you did your work and you're back in the farm.
Yes.
You love the farm?
Yes. And I'm going to just continue working the farm till they're ready back for me to go again. I will work like today, I'm gone tomorrow.
All right.
Yes.
Respect, sir.
Yes, I'll see you later.
Yeah, man.
Have some animal look back this side too.
To the world.
Yeah.
Respect.
All right.
You'll see it on YouTube, Jamaica Good Life.
Yes, good life.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna stop by. Just come from the bush. I need to hit the gym. I'm not as fit as these farmers. Walk like a mile in the bush. All right. Yeah. All the bush people there.
Settings. Back button.
Alright?
Yeah, man.
iPhone unlock. On. iTunes and App Store. On. Apple Pay. On. Password autofill.
All the location them where you always stay.
It's time for a new key.
Me I wonder if you drop out in the car when me I go down this
What
morning.
do you mean when you sit down?
Mm-hmm.
So you lick it off yet or you wait?
Me have to lick off it then, me no want water to sit on and the bag them and something. Me have to lick off it already, man. I mean, the ones, and the ones on ice water.
Oh, just stand for myself to stick.
You don't know where the key is.
Continue.
I said every time, you know,
Continue.
just find the dirty time for just give me a check.
Place your
So
finger.
come in the house with all the box, you know, me
Place your
open
finger.
up the box. But when you never say,
Place your finger. Place your finger. Place your finger. Place your finger. Complete.
you know, the key.
Your finger. A finger.
When me I go on the back, on the back, beside me, you know, say me, they lock the door them, but they take down this with the key. But you know what me do with it?
Mm-hmm.
Is that me can't, you know, quick in my brain it, you know what me do with it. No, nothing artificial, the structure you not get.
Calendar.
Well, I say brother Randy. Good vibes. No the devil a fight, man, but
Bless up my life.
Bless up life. And I fix my phone.
so should I journey I will take first now.
2:49 p.m.
Well, go on the little top.
The church stop.
No,
Up at Denny Yard.
we'll go up at the yard first.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah,
I have a cup of tea.
because we have to keep going. You know.
That's what I say. You can't stay one place and get stagnant too long.
No.
It's moving.
It's a
What
deal.
time now?
We don't check time.
You
No.
know really?
When I work for the clock?
No, no. Today a rest day.
No like today. We work with the clock in the but not like today.
So someone tell me say the guy junior in front.
Messages.
Even the donkey say you're right.
You tell me I tell you man.
No more mule, Baba.
Eh?
Mule.
But I want mule me want.
Yeah.
Me no want no donkey, me want a mule that me I tell you.
Mule.
No, Patrick want a donkey.
Mule a strong or something.
Mule no tired man. If me have a mule a joy I'm from morning till soon night.
Hey,
till
so
sunset,
when me
me no
live at
tired.
Clarendon, Baba,
Mhm.
my uncle have a mule. Well, about 4 mule.
Mhm.
But the man did have a particular mule the brethren. He was the younger one.
Mhm.
And me tell you say, in Jamaica we have a sugar mill.
Mhm.
Right?
Yeah.
He used to boil sugar.
Yeah.
So
We them do the jarage.
him have the mill you know where the donkey the
And
mule
them
drive
chain
round
out to
and
it and go
round
round.
and round. See?
Yeah, they can call it jar.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And that mule that we walk from 4 o'clock in the morning, because we have the sugar, you know. You have to start from 4 o'clock in the morning to
Yeah.
get the juice, you know.
Yeah man.
See?
Mhm.
And that mule that we walk from the mill and then go down in the field, go down in some valleys
Yeah.
and load up and come up, you know.
Yeah,
And
but
that mule they come like in that in breed hard, you know.
I tell Randy say a mule not tired.
Yeah, man.
Once you feed him, he not tired.
Yeah, man.
Even
And they live longer than the donkey.
They live
them.
longer.
yeah, and he make 20 chip in the bush to fit it there, and when he come here, so you can't go on next bush, go do 20 chip.
Yeah, man.
And you can rent him out.
What do you mean? If you have a man, if you have a mule, there, so
Yeah, man.
a man come to them and go dig 1,000 yam. He say, yo, we want you to drop 1,000 yam. You just make some bomb 5 chip. I even you collect 6,000.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
So that's why I tell you, say it's a mule. If I don't want to buy a ordinary donkey, I buy one long time. I don't want no donkey, I want a mule, because I done 2 donkey already.
But you going to get a mule.
I want a
So
mule.
what, him name Rusty, you have to call him Rusty.
Yeah, no problem. You call him what you want him to call. And a mule not do you to that neither, because you can get a mule for 100.
Yeah.
110,000 Jamaican dollars.
So now, where we going to sell him?
How we gonna get him for buy?
Where we get him?
Out of YS. You see what, you know what sentence is better than YS?
Yeah.
Before the big of a cow come
You
and
know
then.
which part that day, you know?
Ah.
Yeah.
Let's go buy a mule.
Mm-hmm.
Because then them let up and come and
Young.
Same, I have everything in shape. It's an expedition.
Well,
And
you know,
today
so,
we are looking at
but you know, so we
Busu.
do the Good Life Expedition, take the picture
Yes,
today.
and today we're looking at Busu. Do you know what Busu is? Those are snails. And you use it to make Busu soup.
Remember, you know, so
River
one,
snails.
Angela, you know, so one way not get tired going up the hills to bend your knees.
So you get tired.
You know, sister, we are robot. We can't get tired.
We bend your
And
knees,
we
you know.
and we are take Treasure Plus vitamin. Can't get tired. Huh?
You make booster soup?
I've never made it.
You had it before?
Nope.
Yes, have you already?
Oh, brother. You know, people have it though.
I almost drank it, but then they told me it was Busu and I didn't eat it.
Instead, put lead in your pencil, boy.
Yeah.
I don't know how we'll get them bags there out tonight.
Which part?
Yeah.
Randy,
Yeah.
one thing I would like to know though.
Yeah.
You plan to make this trip with a whole heap of food, right?
What do you mean?
Where we going to put people and where we going to put suitcase and where
That's
we
what I said.
They must stay someplace else and then just tour these places.
What do you mean, suitcase and
Talking the
food?
trip where we are going down.
Oh, a lot
At
of
the
them.
center and we are going to think there.
No, we are going to leave off some of the food at the mountain. And then, what we're going to do? I don't know if Errol go, I mean, Elvis will come. Elvis might not come. Or maybe Kaya might not come. You know?
But then if that's the case, then we're perfect.
So we have to just ask them
If them come.
because, you know, yes sir.
It's something you care now.
You know,
Because I want to do it, you know, better.
well, I'm trying to register it, I'm trying to insure it tomorrow. I'm supposed to insure it today. And come with me. But if you insure it tomorrow, we'll have a car, you know. But you know, sometimes the less is the best, less expense.
So what's your name again, Randy?
This is where the church is.
Oh, okay.
The church of us,
Yeah,
you
see
come
the
to church?
used to.
Oh, you used to?
They move it down at the bottom.
I really love God.
This is why
Close to him.
this is why them call it up top. This is my first school, Godly school.
Mad.
This is where me learn to eat rice with a big spoon.
Beautiful. You know that write it down here.
Look for the experience. Look where me come
My
from.
son is a wicked cyclist, you know.
Look where me come from.
He's not ride no more, but trust me, he's not ride the bicycle up there. I see it. I see it from earlier, over up there.
This is up top.
And them said the pack. My girl said the best night.
So when them do abandon the road,
You know, so
This is the church.
up to the church.
I know that's the road. The road abandoned.
See the king there, the gatekeeper.
Hello?
4. No, you just call the spirit now.
Okra. What is uncle then? Yeah. They live up here? So no egg not there?
Patriot, just imagine you're on top, right? And right now, what you're looking at is this. I'm going to talk about in layers of mountains. Okay, so this is how it looks. Right below your feet is a lot of white stones that they come from the
It's
past.
lime.
Yes, like lime, sea, coral kind of stones. And then you look all the way out before you come in close and you see the towers. You see the phone towers. It's like the sea. What you're looking at here is layers of mountains, layers and mist and field of depth of fields. You're looking at
Mountains and valleys.
my grandmother's shop. You're looking at a mansion down there with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors. You're looking at a field that's cleared out for planting. The layers are different shades of green. The sky is beautiful and bright. The jankos are just flying around. And then you have some tree with some shaky thing all over the base. But everything is green. There's graveyards.
Donkey tambourine.
Yeah, there's graveyards, right? And if you do a 360, there's patches where they plant yams and stuff. And everything is just layers of mountain. You don't see any sign of ghetto. It is just
This church are not in use no more.
no.
No. I build a new one down
So them are doing that, so them are restore it or
What
there.
time?
Well, we don't know what.
a lot of them ancient building there, you know, some things that need to be restored.
So here one now.
Just for the historical
Behind
value.
this church is my grandmother's land.
Probably.
It's on this side, the red side.
Oh, that means it have a label then.
Yes.
So this is up top.
So that's good, Randy.
Yeah, man.
Like it has it's dated.
November
1960? Historical. 46. Yeah. That's a 70-something-year-old.
No man, wouldn't touch that. No, I would have build my own. No, I don't my one. That the land behind this is ours.
Right.
Yes.
Oh, so carry around there, look.
That's what I'm gonna show you.
I think you need all of this here, so you just
No.
I apologize. Did you tell me soon come here, go run on the bush with Randy?
Yeah, man. I'm afraid of drunk afraid of way. Vanish from my grounds, drunko. Ball drunko. Sit up on the treetop.
Wait, go.
Make me go. Make me go. Let me say, feel like drunko. Sit up. This is our land.
Okay. Alright. Now.
Look at this now. This is about 3-5 acres going back. Let me show you now. You see how I'll go walk back on this now?
All of that.
All going back.
Okay, let me go and look in between the dirt to see how far it goes. Quarry rock. Or is it granite?
Granite.
If it's granite, you know.
I think a corner.
Listen, Clive. A friend of mine, he in above rocks, he has rocks like this on his place, and it's Home Depot. He sells his rocks to, his granites to, from here in Jamaica.
I know.
Okay.
That's what Baba
So
says.
we
We
just
can
have
we
to
can do
test it.
stone harvesting.
Yeah.
Because even up top, when you go to the other top,
Multi-millionaire right
do
now.
you see when you go the other top? But you see what I'm saying? If I build something here,
Yeah.
tall, and set up some lightning rods, you're good.
We're going to lose a lot of the view with this.
No, it's all on the church. Make it taller than the church.
I want that section to come up and give us something there.
Yeah. This is a baptism. Yeah.
That's a long baptism,
What do you mean?
oh, well, let me ask you.
Remember,
From Jesus.
baptism came from Egypt, you know.
You know.
In bad? A bad dog? Okay. Look at it.
This is just precious. Look at that view. Amazing.
And to be, imagine you're born into this.
Ain't no Marchman Road, son.
This-
What kind of law?
This right here is what built me. I got up as a baby seeing this.
I go down?
Yeah, man. And we're going to the other top.
Alright, boss.
Bless up here.
Later here, we're good.
Done, sir?
Yeah, man. We just going to go get the box then.
Yeah, up, where the tank is.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good
Yes, sir. See you later, yeah?
Why? Where? So why no walk? So him not come back and pick him up? People, look how them wicked are run to do it. Look how them wicked. From all the way down there so. Them man them have to walk. And look, what do you get? Jackfruit? Oh, papaya. Alright, I'm gonna make some pop-up spaghetti when we go home here. With saltfish, how about that? Orange? Chef. And you can't eat now? You left piece to me? Oh, well, that's how you go. This is Norway, and I am blessed to be here. And I've experienced a lot of bush life, country life, but this is just pure people. Awesome.
Yeah, man. This open? Yeah, man. So this is king, the prince. He's not king yet. Because there's a king. You can't. What's up, eh? Oh, no, stand up against the wall.
What is that, man? I'm going to get started on this here.
I'm stand up against the wall.
Yes.
Hey, Angela. Go on. You know what I didn't want to do? Yes, I didn't want to get a big pot, you know. I'll put the projector up here, so you know.
Yeah. So why don't we do it?
But you know, I rush for leave.
So why we can't cook here, son? Why we can't run?
We can do it, but it's just that every time we hear when we are
Where you here
leave.
from?
Him same live? What we are doing? Yeah.
Hey,
What we are doing?
somebody didn't vision, you know.
Waste time.
And then we watch the good life on the screen here, so I see it in the bed, you know.
See it in there.
When you going to do it? Today?
Tonight. Come here. Let's take a picture against the wall.
Against the wall.
I work, you know. The world I watch this, you
We're
know.
not taking a picture against the wall. We're going to take it with the wall. Nice mama shop.
Yeah, them smoke too much weed, you know.
Watch out, a nice mama shop. We don't want to get
Then you make the door green too.
Mama shop. We're not smoking. Granny shop this, you know?
Go on.
Let's get rid of the ugly look, you know? That's not my intention, you know?
Go on back.
The wall is ugly.
Go on back, and then.
Right watch it. I'll catch flu.
So here what we're going to do, Kings. Here what we're going to do. We're going to get a big pot, right? And we'll cook here, so I set up the projector and project the good life on the wall with the speaker. But we don't have the plug feet, right? So we lose that. But Baba have one too, you know, a Bluetooth speaker. So we'll take Baba one. Back up. Alright. Stand up now. Put the right one on. Expedition number 1. Jamaica good life. Alright? We just made history today.
That's how it told her.
Good.